Hi guys, and welcome back to another nail video. As you can see in front of you, I'm using a lot of things today, but the main thing I am using that's different is me and my mum went to a Brill Bird show and we both ended up buying some things, and this they give me for free and it's a nail bed colour. I don't think I'm that mega ecstatic about it. It hasn't got a name, but it's a cover pink. But yeah, that's the nail bed I'm using today. I am using Naio's Clear, High Speed Acrylic Liquid, Mega White, Vivid Violet, and I am using their nail foams. The other products I'm using today is Nails by Jen's stuff. She has got a YouTube channel and I will link it down below. These are iridescent golden butterflies. Her glow in the dark heavenly mylar. I'm using Young Nails netting, some glass bits, I'm not quite sure what you call them, Smiley 6062 ice blue, and solarcolourdust.com's glow in the dark baby blue. So to start off with first, just to make my life a bit easier, because I put all these on at once, I'm just going to organise these nail forms so that I just need to pop them on and I don't have to mess about with them, just like one by one, because the more you put on, the harder it gets. And then I'll just leave these to the side until I've done them all. So if you do them like this first, just doing these tabs at the bottom, they're a lot easier to attach to the nail. So all you have to do is literally line the middle of your finger up with the middle of the nail form. And then make sure all the tabs are securely fitted. And away you go. So I'm just going to start off by putting Brill Bird's nail bed colour on 4 out of 5 of my nails. What I'm going to do now is gently just get the form off so I can put my finger back in there and just file around the smile line just to make it a bit neater. Get the nail form again, line it up. You have to make sure that the nail bed is touching the nail form again, and then fasten it back up. And then I'll do that to all of my nails. So on my thumb and my middle finger, I'm just using the blues together with the glass. So now I'm going to get a pinching tool. You can get these either off eBay or Naio. Dip it in some clear and then just pinch the nail. On my first finger I am using Naio's purple with another one of Naio's purple glitter and the butterflies. So for my ring finger I'm just using Naio's Mega White, purple, the glass and some netting. So next I'm going to get Jen's mix and partially cover my nail in it. Next I'm just going to put some clear on my ring finger, let it go a bit tacky, then get this netting, dip it in the clear so it doesn't stick, and then press it into the clear. With my pinky, all I'm going to do is put a clear surface down and add some butterflies. Okay, so with this nail what I'm going to do is just use the electric drill and file off the purple that I put on earlier. I'm filing my nails like I usually do, and this is how much I really don't like Brill Bird. Okay, this is, I have prepped my nails as usual. That's coming off there, and this one is nearly all the way off. That's the reason I got rid of the Brill Bird last time I bought some. So yeah, I'm just going to file these nails and put top coat on so you can just like see what I've done before I take them off. And there's no use putting glue down because that won't stick. It's literally stuck on by my fingertip. And I've done a lot of sculpted nails, so I sort of know what I'm doing, but I'm a bit gutted about that and I'm not very happy. So I'll get on with the filing and I'll be back to put top coat on. So I've just buffed the nail and my thumbnail just comes straight off. This would not happen if I'd have used Naio's nail bed. So this is stuck back on with top coat. So I'm just going to use Naio's Mega Gloss Gel Sealer. Guys, I'm going to leave the video there because there isn't really any point me putting anything else on the nails. I was going to do a flower or some 3D thing on that one, but since they're all popping off there's no need to. I've quite been this upset with the set of nails for quite some time. I have been at these nails for 5 hours, so just for them to pop off because of the nail bed, yeah, not very happy. But anyway, I still hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. And yeah, hopefully next week's video will be better than this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.